We had a unique problem to solve as a family. Our son is trying to become a race car driver, and this necessitates traveling 30 to 40 weekdays a year. And so Nolan found it impossible to keep up with classes in a normal school environment. We looked at a variety of different options. One was online high schools, and that didn't work well for the travel schedule. And then we found some other schools that were asynchronous, but the problem with those is that these were often not with a teacher live in person.
Being at my previous school, it was really easy to get behind because I would just miss so many classes, and it was just really difficult for me to miss that much school. I just needed a change so that I can keep traveling and keep missing the days of school that I need to miss without getting behind.
When we came to Lydian, we knew Lydian as one sort of experience for kids that needed reinforcement academically in certain areas. What we discovered is, of course, that there's this other function that Lydian fills for families like us that have an unusual need, which in our case is to accommodate a very rigorous travel schedule. It's great to have an alternative which is not a traditional education, but at the same time provides a very rich educational experience and is flexible to whatever the needs of the child and the family are.
I like Lydian Academy because it's very different from other schools. You're actually able to kind of go at your own pace. When you come across something that you're good at, it's really nice to be able to kind of speed up and speed through that. So like if I understand something, we don't have to spend extra time on it. So then that allows more time for something that I might not understand as well. Being one-on-one with the teacher allows for kind of more conversation, and I think it makes it easier for the teacher to come up with the curriculum, and I think that most of the stuff that we're doing in class is more enjoyable for me than it would be normally because it's more customized.
We've actually seen a lot of positive change in Nolan. We feel like he's a lot more confident about his schoolwork, again, because he doesn't feel like he's constantly playing catch-up. We're very thankful for Lydian Academy because I don't know what we would have done otherwise. So this has just given us a level of flexibility that we really couldn't have done this without.
I'm really glad that we made this decision and this switch, and I think it's been really, really good for me.